Welcome to Tidy Up Texan. I'm Nicole, and today we have a little cleaning motivation. So if your room's a little messy, don't worry, you're not alone. Today we're turning this space from chaos to calm, one step at a time. So grab some water, light some candles, and let's start making some progress together. I have been down and out for almost a week now, suffering from chronic back pain. And because of that, I haven't been getting much sleep. And with the lack of sleep and the paralyzing pain, I haven't been able to do all the things I wanted to do. But I'm finally back on my feet and ready to tackle this room. And if you've been here a while, you know I like to start from one side of the room and work my way around. Although I am back on my feet, I still suffer daily with chronic pain and fatigue. So although this video is short, this really took me most of the day. So I really want to be an encouragement to those who suffer from chronic pain or illness. It may not always be realistic to get through an entire room or an entire house. So remember, just start small. Pick a small section or area that you can tackle within 10 to 15 minutes and take as many breaks as you need to. Because all we're looking for is a little progress, not perfection. And I promise you, the more progress you see, the more you'll get done in a day. So I have been working so hard on getting this house put together. Ever since we bought this house, we've had so many moving parts. We do co-own this house with my sister-in-law at current, and we've had people that we've helped move in and out, a family member in the home passing away. Plus, we've had damage done from storms. So up until now, it has been impossible to get this house in order. But now that we have everyone situated, I have finally been able to get to the guest rooms, although they are not fully complete because we still need to paint and replace the carpets. But for the most part, they are done. And even though that those rooms aren't being used, and I know I'm the only one in the household that feels this way, but having those rooms done really takes the load off my mind. And now that the upstairs is pretty much complete, I can finally set my sights on the downstairs. But going back to what I said before, it's really about progress and not perfection. Working on one space at a time. And slowly but surely, I will have this house complete. And then I can do what I've been wanting to do for a while and finally give you a full house tour. All right, this little area is done. Let's start moving our way around the room. The cats always seem to leave their dishes everywhere. And then there's the dogs. Never a lack of toys and toy fluff everywhere. All right, now that that's all picked up, let's work on Ryan's side of the bed. So I am pretty pressed for time since I wasn't able to do a whole lot through the week, and I want to get this video out to you on time. And doing the voiceovers is the hardest part of doing YouTube for me. I am just not a chatty person, and having to talk through the entire video is very difficult for me. And there isn't a whole lot of good free music I can play, so hopefully you enjoy the sounds of cleaning. And I may chime in here and there, but for the most part, I'm going to keep quiet and hopefully you enjoy the progress as much as I do. We're not going to be doing laundry today, but I do need to get these loads separated and ready for the next day, which will probably be on next week's video. All right, we pretty much got everything cleaned up, and now we're going to get to the final touches, making the bed, vacuuming, and mopping. And then finally, we can get to the before and afters. And hopefully today's video, I have inspired you or motivated you to tackle a room in your house and that we made some progress together. All right, so from here, I'm going to say my goodbyes. I thank you so much for joining me today. The love and support that you guys give me is so motivating for me. And I do love chatting with you in the comments, so come say hello. If you're new here, let me know where you're watching from. And if you have any questions or thoughts, I am always happy to answer them. But I do hope that you enjoy the rest of the video and stick around for those before and afters. And until next time, bye.